Namaste. My name is Partha Majumdar. I am a student of Masters in Indian Knowledge System. My PRN is 23110779. This is my video submission for the subject Introduction to Indian Knowledge System, paper code MI02. My topic is Darshan. Let us begin our discussion by understanding what is Darshan. Now, Darshan is a Sanskrit word. According to Vedanta, Darshan refers to perception. According to Mokshapaya Shastra, in each of the perceiver, that is the drashta, the perception, that is darshan, and the perceived object, that is the drishya, the state of mere knowledge is the essence. Therefore, darshan means philosophy. Scholars define philosophy as the knowledge which enables one to see. Now, seeing can be done in two ways according to the Indian philosophy. One is using the external eyes, and the other is using the internal eyes. When we see with the external eyes, it is called the gross vision, and when we see with the internal eyes, it is called the subtle vision. The inner eyes are also called the eyes of knowledge or the divine eyes. Now, just like most of us, I have been using my external eyes to see the world for the last 55 years. However, I am trying to understand how one sees with the inner eyes. Indian philosophy has given rise to many viewpoints. Each viewpoint has tried to establish the ultimate truth about the Almighty. While trying to define the Almighty, all of the Indian philosophies state that the ultimate goal of human life is to connect with the Almighty. All Indian philosophies provide the path to attaining the Almighty. Just like a tree has many branches of different shapes and sizes, however, the tree bears the same fruit and the tree has the same roots. Similarly, the Vedas are the roots of all Indian philosophies. Indian philosophy has two categories, Astik Darshan and Nastik Darshan. Astik Darshan places complete faith in the Vedas and considers them the ultimate source of knowledge. So the Astik Darshan is called the theist philosophy. Nastik Darshan challenges the Vedas and emphasizes the independent viewpoint of the founder of the philosophy. Thus, Nastik Darshan is called the atheist philosophy. There are 6 branches of Astik Darshan: Gautam's Nyaya, Kanada's Vaiseshika, Kapil Muni's Sankhya, Patanjali's Yoga, Jaimini's Purva Mimamsa, and Badarayan Vyasa's Uttar Mimamsa, or Uttar Mimamsa is also known as Vedanta. The Nastik Darshan has 3 branches: Charkava, Buddha, and Jain. The Indian philosophy states that the Almighty is formless and infinite, so it is never possible to describe the Almighty. The Almighty needs to be realized. Further, the Indian philosophy states that the Almighty resides in every being, living and non living. Everyone must seek the Almighty within themselves. The mechanism of finding the Almighty is stated in the scriptures. The scriptures state the conduct of the individual and the society to lead a good life in this world. The earliest scriptures on Indian philosophy is the Vedas. It is believed that God wrote the Vedas before they were presented in the present form by the rishis and munis. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda, and the Atharva Veda. The Upanishads were derived from the Vedas. The rishis and munis wrote the Upanishads. Though the additional number of Upanishads is 108, it is believed that there are more than 200 Upanishads. The rishis and munis taught the Vedas. Their teachings were passed down from memory before they were documented. These documents containing these memories are called smritis. Smritis in Sanskrit means memories. Among the smritis, the most important one is Manusmriti. Traditional Hindu beliefs are documented in the Puranas. There are 18 Puranas, 6 in Sattvic, 6 in Rajasic, and 6 in Tamasic qualities. Indian philosophy defines human behavior in 3 modes: Sattvic, Rajasic, and Tamasic. Sattvic people practice pure behavior with the sole purpose of attaining the Almighty. Rajasic people seek material gains, and the Tamasic people lead a life of ignorance. Indian philosophy believes that the Almighty takes birth in the human form from time to time to re-establish the teachings of the Vedas. Sri Krishna is considered the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu to have dwelled on this earth. Sri Krishna re-established the teaching of the Vedas in the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the most read book on Indian philosophy worldwide. That was a brief introduction to Darshan or the Indian philosophy. Namaste.